popular post. I was not here in the country. I was actually in the official business outside.
So when did you come to know about this?
I only came to know about it when Congressman Marcoleta called me Gago and Mangmang in one of his interviews.
So when was that?
During his interview last February 10, huwag tayong magpagago at magpaka-ignorante katulad ng Commodore na yan.
So, at that point in time, ang tinatanong kanina ni Honorable Marcoleta na merong misinterpretation doon sa iyong statement sa social media.
Yes, sir.
And you did not bother na i-correct man lang yun. Yun ang dinadrive ni Honorable Marcoleta kanina pa.
Yes, sir.
So, please answer that question. You did not do anything.
I did not do anything, sir.
Okay.
Why? Why did you not do anything?
It's because, sir, if I'm going to keep on defending to any, because one...
No.
Yeah.
You are not supposed to defend me.
Yes, sir. Because
If
as I
it
said...
is true, Mr. Chair, that he did not call me traitor, but it continues to be there and to be consumed by the public through the social media. I think it is his responsibility to deny it if it did not come from him. That is all I was asking. And I think this is not too big for him to do. Yun lamang eh.
Yeah, but he admitted that he did not do anything.
Yun nga, that's why I'm asking why is it not important to you to correct something that did not originate from you?
It's because, Mr. Chair, the only time I learned about that was when I heard about your interview calling me Gago and Mangmang. Why would I even defend you if you're calling me Gago? As a commissioned officer of the Philippine Coast Guard, being a spokesperson, calling me Mangmang, not knowing what I'm saying.
But actually, if you will read that context,
How would I even
the
defend
act
you?
of doing it is the one that is gago.